Всем привет! It's been a long time since I've posted anything here, and it was for many reasons, but lately you've been subscribing to my channel, which I'm so grateful for, and it brought me inspiration to finally do some more. So thank you for subscribing, and let's do this! So this painting was inspired by a bath bomb which my sister makes. On top of the bubbly stuff sits this magical glittery kitty with wings. And it immediately sparked creativity in me, and voila, here it is. In this video, you're gonna see the start to finish process of me creating a painting. After I get the initial idea in my mind, I go ahead and make a few thumbnail sketches of characters and compositions. And then, when I'm happy with the result, I begin lightly sketching it to the watercolor paper. It usually takes some tweaking, but when I feel I'm at a good place finally, I take my mechanical pencil with an 2H lead in it and trace the sketch with some pressure so that the pencil marks get kind of engraved into the paper. After that, I take a soft eraser and get rid of everything, which leaves me with a clean line work. Be careful though not to put too much pressure on the paper because it could thin it out very badly. At this point, I tape the paper to the desk and begin painting. Another point I wanted to address in this video is how I made the clouds. Here, I used watercolor in the most famous way of using it, wet on wet. Basically, all you need to do is, with a large brush, paint the base tone of the background, and then, while it's still damp, begin tapping in some places with a color-loaded smaller brush. Here, I did it with dark indigo for the shadows and red for color accents, which represent the light from the setting sun. You can repeat it in as many layers as you need. Note that the wetter the paper is, the more bleeding you will get. Thus, more subtle the layer mixing will be. After everything was finished, I, as always, came in with an ink pen and dark watercolor solution to make the outline and give it more texture and definition. And that is all from me for today. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. See you and hopefully very soon. Bye.